Today's video is on CCI Uppercut and 22 LR. This has a listed velocity of 950 feet per second from a 32 grain bullet. And it says it's been optimized for 2.5 to 4 inch barrels. I've been trying to get my hands on this for a long time because I want to see what it can do. Couple things to note. This is a jacketed hollow point, not just copper plating. And the gel that I use for my testing is collagen. It's animal based, and a lot of the complaints we had, I'd seen for the uppercut where they don't expand. A lot of those were tested in clear ballistics gel. That's polymer based. They don't react the same. So we'll see what we get out of these. Let's check it out. So we have expansion immediately upon entering the gel block, about 1.25 inches in diameter. First one was through 2 layers of fleece, 12 inches. The other 2 were bare gel at 11.5. Good solid performers. We'll take a look at these at the house. So it's very accurate, just over 1 inch grouping with one flyer. Great velocity. It's designed for 2.5 to 4 inch barrels, listed 950 foot per second velocity. I average 1109 from a 4 inch barrel. That's 159 feet per second increase. Reliability was okay. I experienced one failure to eject during testing. For their size, they expanded decently. Also for their size, they did a good amount of damage in the gel. Penetration was also good, averaging 11.75 inches, just shy of FBI standard. Not much energy transfer. There's simply not enough mass or speed. It's nice for what it is, and it's nice to see development in defensive rimfire ammunition. For a long time, I carried a 22. But after I started making these videos, I just don't feel it's enough to effectively neutralize an aggressive threat. Let me know what you think. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Thank you for watching.